Hi friends, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about the equipment qualification in the pharmaceutical industry. What is the meaning of qualification and why it is required? We will see. And what is the role plays in the regulatory industry as well. So qualification means overall validation of each and every component of the equipment. It is called as the qualification. It means we have to validate its functionality, its safety, and its efficacy with respect to the activity. That is called the equipment qualification. It recommends by the ICH Q7 and WHO Annex 3. This is the reference for this. Why this is required, we will see. Whenever in pharmaceutical industry, any procedure to start, we need a equipment, and that equipment, it's a trustworthy. If it is not trustworthy, we cannot rely on the results of the equipment. So to verify the trustworthiness, there are the guidelines, there are the procedures, and we will see that. First of all, if you want to install any equipment in your area, like suppose compression machine, if you want to install compression machine in your area, first you have to raise the change control. Means the existing situation and propose change. In existing scenario, you don't have the compression machine in your facility. Propose change, we have to install new compression machine in the facility. Justification, for better output, business requirement, or to meet the production requirement, like this justification will be there. For that reason also, you have to make the FMA, failure mode risk analysis, to verify the risk of each and every component, to verify the risk of facility, to verify the risk of utility inside the area, to verify the trainings, to verify the component and whatever the things inside the facility. So there are 4 steps. First, user has to raise the change control. Second, user has to make the URS. URS means user requirement specification. URS means user requirement specification. It indicates, it shows, it returns everything what the user wants. Like suppose if you want to purchase any car, what we will see, there should be automatic gear, there should be a safety features, there should be a airbag, there should be all ventilations proper, side mirror, safety features, okay, all these things, headlamp, tail lamp, all these things. Likewise, for the compression machine also, user has to mention his each and every requirement. What is the speed of machine, how many stations, what are the types of tools, D tooling, B tooling, what are the safety features, what are the automation inside the compression machine, like PLC base, okay, means all the data should be captured inside the machine. There should be a audit trail, there should be a control mechanism, password protection, speed of the machine, hopper size, number of punches. This all covers in the user requirement specification, that is called the URS. Later on, he make the design DQ. In DQ, he has to design what type of machine he wants, single rotary, double rotary. Again, same, like as similar to URS. How many punches, what type of punches, B tooling, D tooling, how many stations, hopper size, compaction force, audit trail, password mechanism, all these things will be mentioned in the DQ as well. Design qualification, that is called. In this design qualification, user mentions each and everything. Later on, when order is given to the vendor, someone will go to the vendor site. If the machine is ready, he has to verify all the features of machine. He will go with some of the powder or blend, we can say that. He will go there, he will evaluate the machine functionality, like compressibility, speed of the machine, safety features, tooling type, compressibility, compaction force, hopper flow, these things he will evaluate. That is called the FAT, factory acceptance test. Once your change control ready, URS ready, DQ ready, FAT ready, then FAT will be signed by the vendor as well as the purchasing party and the operator or the technical person. They will accept the FAT. This type of machine will come into our factory. Later on, order will be given. Before that, order is given already, but machine will come to the site. The machine, whatever we have given the order, as per this it is received or not received, it will be verified in the manufacturing facility once again. So this is evaluated with the help of IQ, OQ, PQ. Your IQ means installation qualification, OQ means operation qualification, PQ means performance qualification. So during this scenario, each and every component of the machine will be installed in the IQ. This activity will be carried out with the protocol base: IQ protocol, OQ protocol, PQ protocol. This will be evaluated with the help of protocol, and basis on that evaluation will be done for the installation qualification, operation qualification, and performance qualification. In installation qualification, each and every component of the machine will be installed, like punches, cavities, assembling features, hoppers, cabling, wiring, safety features, PLC running, all these things will be installed. Means your set of machine is ready. That is called the installation qualification. And installation qualification is verified each and every component is installed or not, and all these things mentioned in the report. Yes, punches installed, yes, verified by. PLC working, yes, verified by. Compaction force, rubber below, safety features, all these things will be installed. Once installation is completed, operation qualification will be done. That is the OQ stage. OQ stage is also performed by the operation qualification. There is a protocol, there is a report. In protocol, everything is mentioned what to do. Means they will run the machine operation. We will see the machine's operation is okay, not okay. All these features are similar to IQ. All the features are working, properly working, safety features, PLC, all data is recording, not recording, who is done, what done, force of the machine, compaction force, punches ejection, all these things. That is called the operation qualification, will be verified, and all the activities will be mentioned in the report. Final report comes like the performance qualification of the machine. In performance qualification, performance will be again checked with the help of protocol. Each and everything will be mentioned in the protocol. In performance qualification, user will verify the performance of machine for each and every activity, each and every item. Like that, physical parameters of the tablet, compaction force, machine feed, ejection type, rubber below, compression punches, B type, D type, whatever the tooling is there, hopper side, hopper speed, low, medium, high, all these things, safety features, on off features, safety cables, electrical functionality of each and every component will be verified in the PQ. In this way, n number of items is checked. All the items listed mentioned into the protocol will be checked and verified, and their results or outcome will be mentioned into the report. That is called the performance report. Means whatever the steps we have followed for qualification, change control, DQ, IQ, change control, DQ, FAT, IQ, OQ, PQ, and final stage is the equipment handover. During equipment handover, again failure mode effect analysis will be done with respect to the machine component, safety features, functionality, failure of the mode for each functions, what will happen, what may go wrong. Maybe incorrect parameter will come, maybe tablet size wrong, maybe physical parameters will be impacted. It will be checked again, all these things into the performance qualification with the help of FMEA, failure mode effect analysis. This failure mode effect analysis is a very much important tools in the pharmaceutical. Somebody calls risk assessment, so we will do the risk assessment. This risk assessment will be performed for the risk identification, risk reduction, and risk mitigations. All the parameters will be tested there in the risk assessment. Means once equipment is ready, FMEA is ready, machine is ready for the user to hand over, then handover certificate will be done. All the peoples will be signed it, cross-functional team, production team, engineering team, and it will be approved by the quality assurance. Once the equipment is approved, it will be handed over to the user for the further functionality or the usage. So this is all the sequential flow with respect to the qualification, equipment qualification. Similar process will be followed for other equipments as well. Maybe pharma, sterile, OSD, liquid, whatever the equipment is there, sequence will be same as it is. So hope you like this video, you will understood each and every item. If any comment, any query, you can mention into the comment. If you like it, subscribe it, and recommend it, comment it. Thank you. Namaskar.